I can't stand it. Nothing ever helps. I just want to sleep. Ew. Oh no! Ew! Ouch! I've asked you so many times. Anyway, where's my... duh. Ah, here it is. Come on. No! I can't. So hard. Don't want to. Stupid. Ouch! Are you serious? Oh, I'm stuck. Come on. Duh. Aha. Huh? Yes! I'm the best chef. Yummy! But I don't... At least I can play for a bit.
High five!
I can't breathe! Hey!
Huh? What about a game? Why not?
Hey, I'm still here! Ouch! Oh, that actually hurts! What? I'm so angry!
Yeah! Ta-da!
Ow!
Let's get this party started!
Hey, give me some! Give me! Hey, you gotta share! Come on! Hey!
Yeah, now
It was
good!
Hey, don't forget about me! Huh? Really? I've had enough! I'm leaving!
Is she serious? It seems like it. She seems angry, but why? No idea.
Huh? Come join us! Really? Coming! Welcome! Hey! Oh, welcome!
Welcome.
You can relax here. Oh, thank you so much!
Here, take this.
Careful with the sun. Oh, thanks. This is lovely.
So?
Try to live without me.
Huh?
Wanna stay with us? Of course. Thanks for the offering. Oh, I'm the last to get up. Huh? So, what now? Oh, I don't think I'm gonna last.
Next one.
Liza, you can do it! I'm stronger than this! Or maybe not! It's fine! One more and it's my turn! Yes! Oh, happiness does exist! Ooh. Everything is so lovely in here. Wow, that's some choice. What do I need? This? What? Really? Gotcha. Ew. And nothing. Whatever. Wait. Ah! Oh, no, 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 no! Ah! What a day! Ouch! And it's even worse than before! Huh? What's going on? It's so sad. My heart is breaking. What?
Remember me.
No, don't leave me.
Oh! Who wants to play?
Huh?
Sorry! Oh no! Just look at this! Duh, girls. Time for breakfast. Let's see. Huh? No, that's not enough. I'm off.
Liza, welcome home. Hey, you're back.
Huh? What does it mean?
Come in.
Don't drop me!
Up. That's for you. And this.
Yummy!
Wanna play?
Of course!